see, our next exercise is practice set 1.2. Here in question number 1, two questions are asked. Complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. See, this is first equation. Here some empty boxes are given. We have to fill these boxes. This is the second equation. Here we have to fill these boxes. First we shall see this x plus y equal to 3. Here value of x is given 3. We have to find the value of y. So here I shall write down x is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3. This is our equation. Here we shall substitute. We get 3 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 3, or we get y is equal to 0. So directly we can write down the value here. Also see, without working out also we can directly write down the value. How to write down directly? Here see 3 comma 0 is given. So when the value of x is 3 means y का value कितना है? 0. Here see this second sum, box is given, x value is not given, value of y is given. So again we shall write down the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Value of y is 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 3, or we get x is equal to 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is how much? Minus 2. So the value of x we got minus 2. Right here minus 2, and here the coordinates will become minus 2 comma 5. Here no need of working it out. Directly 0 comma 3 is given. So value of y is 3 means what will be the value of x? Here we get 0. Now take this second sum. X minus y is equal to 4. Value of x is not given, value of y is given 0. So we shall write here x minus 0 is equal to 4. So x will be equal to how much? 4. So directly I shall write here 4. Here I shall write down 4 comma 0. So answer is 4 comma 0 here in this box. Now here value of x is given minus 1. X is given minus 1. X minus y is 4. So we can write down minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y, see minus 1 going to right side, it becomes plus 1. 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. Minus y is 5 means y will be equal to how much? Minus 5. So here we shall write down y is minus 5. The coordinates will become minus 1 comma minus 5. Here already all the boxes are filled. So our sum is over. See practice set 1.2, question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. See, solve graphically means here two equations are given. You have to first draw the graph of these two equations, and their point of intersection will give us the solution. So see, what is our first equation? X plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 4. First we shall draw the table. See, first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. First we shall take x equal to 1. Then what is the value we get? 1 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 1, or we get y is equal to 5. So first value we got x equal to 1, y equal to 5. Put here 1, 5. So first coordinate we got 1 comma 5. Second, you take x is equal to 0. So we get 0 plus y is equal to 6, or we get y is equal to 6. So if the value of x is 0, the value of y is 6. So write down the coordinate here 0 comma 6. Next we shall take x is equal to minus 2. You can take any value, but see that it should fit in our graph. So minus 2 plus y is equal to 6, or we get y is equal to 6 plus 2, or we get y is equal to 8. Next value we shall take x is equal to 2. So we get 2 plus y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 minus 2, or you get y is equal to 4. So see here minus 2 comma 8, and here 2 comma 4. In the same way here also we can do the same thing. If you take x is equal to 1, we get minus y, 1 minus y is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3, or you get y is equal to minus 3. So x equal to 1, y equal to minus 3, 1 comma minus 3. If we take x is equal to 0, what is the value of y we get? 0 minus y is equal to 4, or y is equal to minus 4. So 0 comma minus 4. Next you take x is equal to 2. So we get 2 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2, or we get y is equal to minus 2. Next you take x is equal to 4, we get 4 minus y is equal to 4, or minus y is equal to 4 minus 4, or which is equal to 0. So y का value आता है 0. So next coordinate we are getting 4 comma 0. See here 2 minus 2, here we got 2 comma minus 2, and here we get 4 0 4 comma 0. So our table is now ready. Now let us draw the graph. See on graph paper, first thing you have to see, you have to draw, this is our x axis, this is y axis, this is origin, write here x, x dash, here you have to write down y, यहाँ पर नीचे y dash, write down scale, on both axes 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now let us mark our point. See our first point is 1 comma 5. See value of x is 1, the value of y is 5. So this is our first point, 1 comma 5. In bracket you write down the coordinates 1 comma 5. Second is 0 comma 6. X is 0, y is 6. So write down here 0 comma 6 in bracket. Next is minus 2 comma 8. So x is minus 2 and y is 8. So this is the point right here, minus 2 comma 8. Next is 2 comma 4. Value of x is 2 and value of y is 4. So write here 2 comma 4. Now let us draw a line which is passing through all these points. On this line write down the equation x plus y is equal to 6. Now let us draw our next graph. See next graph is 1 comma minus 3. Value of x is 1 and the value of y is minus 3. Write here 1 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 4. X is 0, y is minus 4. The point will come here. See this is 0 comma minus 4. Next point is 2 minus 2. X is 2 and y is minus 2. So this is the point 2 comma minus 2. 4 comma 0. This is our point 4 comma 0. Now let us draw a line which is passing through all these points. Write down the equation on this. X minus y is equal to 4. See, our both equations, both the graphs, graphs are ready. Now see their point of intersection. What is the point of intersection? Point of intersection is 5, 1. So right here 5, 1. So this is our solution. See, our sum is not over. In our answer sheet also you have to write down the coordinates of point of intersection is 5, 1. The coordinates of point of intersection is 5, 1. Therefore, solution is 5, 1 or x equal to 5, y equal to 1. Many students they do not write this step, you will lose half mark to 1 mark. So this step compulsorily you have to write down, because our question was solve the equation graphically. Only simply drawing the graph doesn't give the answer. You have to write down what is the final answer in your answer sheet also. Okay. See, take question number 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. 2x minus y is equal to 3. See here, our first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 2. So minus y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. See, I have changed the sign. Minus y has become y. 2 हो गया minus 2, minus 3 हो गया minus 3x हो गया plus 3x. Now what we shall do here? First I shall take x equal to 0. If I take x equal to 0, what I get? Y is equal to 3x minus 2, means 3 into 0 minus 2, that is 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. In the same way, if I take x equal to 3, y equal to 3 into 3 minus 2, that is 9 minus 2, that is 7. If I take x equal to 4, what I get? Y equal to 3x, means 3 into 4 minus 2, that is 12 minus 2, that is 10. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So we have filled this table. Now see this second table. Our equation is 2x minus y equal to 3, or we get minus y is equal to 3 minus 2x, y equal to 2x minus 3, sign change. First I am taking x equal to 0, substitute in this equation, we get y equal to 2 into 0 minus 3, see 2 into 0 minus 3, that is 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Next take x equal to 1, y equal to 2 into 1 minus 3, that is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. X equal to 2, what we get? Y equal to 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 3, that is 1. If we take x equal to minus 2, substitute again in this equation, 2x minus 3 means 2 into minus 2 minus 3, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7. So this second table is also ready. Now we shall plot the graph. See, I already plotted the graph. See, our first point is, this is our first equation, x equal to 0 comma minus 2. Now how to plot this 0 comma minus 2? See, x equal to 0, this is minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2. In this way we have plotted the remaining points also. Second equation, 2x minus y equal to 3. Here 0 comma minus 3 first point, see 0 comma minus 3, then 1 comma minus 1, see this is x equal to 1 comma minus 1, next is 2 comma 1, see this is 2 comma 1, and then last point is minus 2 minus 7. So if you take minus 2, this is minus 7. Sorry. If you are drawing both this graph, you find that they are intersecting at minus 1 comma minus 5. So our equation is, as the point of intersection is minus 1 comma minus 5, the solution is x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 5. What is our question number 5? 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7, 5x minus 2y equal to 0. This sum also, 3x minus 4y is minus 7. So minus 4y is minus 7 minus 3x. Change the sign, 4x equal to plus 7 plus 3x, or y is equal to 7 plus 3x upon 4 divided by 4. Now what we shall do? First I shall take x equal to 1. If I take x equal to 1, we get y is equal to 7 plus 3x upon 4, means 7 plus 3 into 1 upon 4. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 upon 4 is 2.5. Now here see, in this sum you cannot take any value. If you take x equal to 2, you will be in problem. How? If you take x equal to 2, what will happen? 7 plus 3 into 2, 6. 7 plus 6 is how much? 13. 13 upon 4 means something answer will come 0.25 we will get. We cannot plot at 0.25. So by trial and error method you have to take the value of x so that you are getting the answer in whole numbers, or the decimal allowed is 0.5. See, again I am taking x equal to 3. So what we get? Y equal to 7 plus 3 into 3. 7 plus 9 upon 4. That is 7 plus 9 is 16 upon 4, that is 4. I cannot take x equal to 0. How? If I take x equal to 0, this will become 7 plus 0 upon 4. And 7 upon 4. What is 7 upon 4? 7 upon 4 we get 1.75. 1.75 you cannot plot. So I am taking x equal to 7. If I take x equal to minus 1. If I take x equal to minus 1, we get y is equal to 7 plus 3 into minus 1. That is 7 minus 3 upon 4. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 upon 4 is 1. In the same way, if I take x equal to 7, y equal to 7 plus 3 into 7 means 7 plus 21 upon 4 means 28 upon 4. What is 28 upon 4? 7. So this point we are getting 7 comma 7. In the same way, we shall take the second equation, 5x minus 2y equal to 0. So minus 2y is minus 5x, 5x going to right side, change the sign, what we get? Minus minus cancel, y equal to minus 5x upon minus 2, minus minus cancel, 5x upon 2 is y, the value of y. Now take value of x. If I take x equal to 1, we get y equal to 5 into 1 upon 2, or 5 upon 2, that is 2.5. If I take x equal to 2, we get y equal to 5 into 2 upon 2. 5 into 2 is how much? 10. 10 upon 2 is how much? 5. Minus 1, y equal to 5 into minus 1 upon 2, that is minus 5 upon 2, minus 2.5. If I take x equal to 0, we get y equal to 5 into 0 upon 2, 0 upon anything is 0. So this second table is also ready. Now we shall plot the graph. Now we shall plot the graph. See what are our points? First 1 comma 2.5. See x equal to 1, y 2.5. Second is 3, 4. X equal to 3, y equal to 4. Next है minus 1, 1, 7, 7. See x is minus 1, y is plus 1, and next is 7 comma 7. Draw a line passing through it. Our equation 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7. Graph is ready. In the same way, we can plot the second line also. We find that both are intersecting at 1 comma 2.5. Now in main answer you have to write down, as the point of intersection is 1 comma 2.5, as the point of intersection is 1 comma 2.5. So you can see here 1 comma 2.5. So our answer is, the solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 2.5. In this way this sum is also solved. Now what is important in this sum? In this sum only the thing is, we have made x independent variable and y dependent variable. So we can take different value of x. x के अलग अलग वैल्यू लेने का, y का वैल्यू फाइंड करना. अभी x का कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं ले सकते यहाँ पर, क्योंकि x इक्वल टू अगर 0 ले लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा? 7 प्लस 0 7 अपॉन 4, यानी कि आंसर हमको पॉइंट में आएगा. हमको 0.5 चलेगा लेकिन बाकी पॉइंट नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि प्लॉटिंग भी करना आना चाहिए. सो बाय ट्रायल एरर हमने ऐसे वैल्यू लिया जिसमें होल नंबर्स आ रहे हमको. सी यहाँ पर x y का वैल्यू 4 आया, यहाँ पर 1 आया, यहाँ पर 7 आया. तो सिंपल सम है, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो. Now you take question number 6. See, question number 6 is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 3y minus x is equal to 4. So we shall rewrite the equation in this way. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So minus 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 4 और 3y is equal to 2x minus 4. What you have done, दोनों तरफ साइन चेंज कर दिया, माइनस 3y को प्लस 3y कर दिया, तो माइनस 2x will become plus 2x plus 4 will become minus 4 and y equal to 3 going to right side, 2x minus 4 upon 3. In the same way, see our second equation is 3y minus x is 4. So 3y is equal to x plus 4 minus x right side में गया है तो plus x हो जाएगा, y equal to x plus 4 upon 3. Now what are the values we shall take here? First we shall take here x is equal to 2. If we take x equal to 2, the value of y we get is 2 into 2 plus 4 upon 3, that is नहीं आता है, 2 into 2 4, sorry 2 into 2 4 minus 4 means this will become 0 upon 3, that is equal to 0. So 2 0, here we get 2 comma 0. Now next value of x we shall take. Suppose we take 5 into 2 10, 10 minus 4 6, 6 upon 3 2. So here also by trial and error method, see I cannot take 1. Why? If I take 1, this will become 2 minus 4 means minus 2 upon 3. Again we are getting in fraction. So by trial error method we have taken 2. No, 3 also I cannot take. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 upon 3 we cannot take. I can take 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 upon 3, again we are getting fraction. If I take 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, that we can take. See, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 into 5 minus 4 upon 3, that is equal to 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 कितना होगा, 6 upon 3, that is equal to 2. Next value we shall take, after 5, 6 also we cannot take, 7 2s are 14 we cannot take, 8 2s are 16, 16 minus 4, 8 we can take. If I take x is equal to 8, we get y is equal to 2 into 8 minus 4 upon 3, that is equal to 8 2s are 16 minus 4, 16 minus 4 is 12 upon 3, 12 upon 3 means we get 4. Next value which we can take is, if I take minus 1, get 4. Next value which we can take is, if I take minus 1, if I take minus 1, what will happen? This will become minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 upon 3. So I shall take here x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to, how much we get? 2 into minus 1 minus 4 upon 3. That is equal to minus 2 minus 4 upon 3. Minus 2 minus 4 upon 3 means minus 6 upon 3, or we get y is equal to minus 2. Now we can fill our table here now. X equal to 5, y equal to 2. I shall write here 5, 2, 5 comma 2. X equal to 8, y equal to 4. Write here 8, 4, 8 comma 4. Then write here minus 1, then here we get minus 2, so minus 1 comma minus 2. Now take this second table, here y is x plus 4 upon 3, y is x plus 4 upon 3, here also divided by 3 hai, so what you have to do, if I take 1, I can take 2, if I take x equal to 2, we get y is equal to 2 plus 4 upon 3 means 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 means it is equal to 2. So we got our 2 comma 2. Now I can take 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, correct? So we shall take x is equal to 5. We get y is equal to 5 plus 4 upon 3, that is 9 upon 3. 9 upon 3 is 3. So 5 comma 3. 5. Now I shall take one negative value we shall take. One negative value we shall take. If I take minus 1, x equal to minus 1, what we get here? Y equal to minus 1 plus 4 upon 3, 4 minus 1 3, that is 3 upon 3, 3 upon 3 is how much? 1. So minus 1, here I get 1, so minus 1 comma 1. Next value I shall take x is equal to minus 4 I shall take. If I take minus 4, what is the value of y we get? Minus 4 plus 4 upon 3 means 0 upon 3. 0 upon 3 is how much? 0. So minus 4, 3, minus 4 here 0. So minus 4 comma 0. So our table is now ready. 2 comma 0. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. The point will come here. Here I shall write down 2 comma 0. Next point is 5 comma 2. X equal to 5, y is equal to 2. So I shall write here 5 comma 2. Third point is 8 comma 4. Third point is 8 comma 4. So we shall write here x equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. See, this point is 8 comma 4. Last point is minus 1 minus 2. See, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. So x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. It will come here. So I shall write here minus 1 comma minus 2. See, this graph is ready. Now second, 2 comma 2, 5 comma 3. 2 comma 2, then 5 comma 3. Next is 2 comma 2, 5 comma 3, minus 1 1, minus 4 0. X is minus 1, here we get 1, and last is minus 4, we get 0. See, our both the graphs are ready. This is our first equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. And this is our second equation, 3y minus x is equal to 4. Say point of intersection, we are getting 8 comma 4 here. Here I shall write down as the point of intersection is, what is the point of intersection? 8 comma 4. The solution is x equal to 8 comma y equal to 4. This is our answer.